What is affiliate marketing? How does it work and how you can make money with it? Hi, I'm Elisa and I've been making money with affiliate marketing, and I help people like you to do the same. In this video, we are going to speak about the basics of affiliate marketing industry. What is it and how does it work? And how you can take advantage on it to earn a new income stream. So I will show you the back office of my earnings for you to understand how this make money online thing works. And I will give you a huge tip-off for you to start your new income stream today if you want to. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a like to help YouTube to recommend this video to other people like you. And comment here below if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, so then I can film other videos to show you much more tips about affiliate marketing, okay? So let's start. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model, okay? It's a way for you to make money online, and it has a whole strategy behind it, okay? So basically, you have a vendor with a product. So imagine that we have like this book. This book's a product, right? There's a company behind it that is ClickFunnels, right? And I'm a person, and there are people out there that want to have this book, right? The affiliate marketer is the person that brings these people that could want this book to see this offer and buy this book. And when people that this affiliate marketer decide to buy this book from his affiliate or his or her affiliate link, so basically affiliate marketers are the bridge between a product and people that really want to buy this product. Not all the people in the world, you understand? Affiliate marketers are people that really understand what this product are offering and will find out there online people that really want to have this product. So you are connected to this vendor via an affiliate program. You work independently. You are your own boss. You have this partnership with the vendor, but you are not obligated to do anything. You will do exactly what you want to do to make money online. It's your effort. It's the effort of the business that you want to have. And in these affiliate programs, you will find all the rules that will connect you to the vendor and all the commissions, that how it's going to pay you these commissions and how much you're going to earn from each sale, and what are the guidance for you to what can you do, what you cannot do promoting this product. So the affiliate program gives you all the rules that you need to follow. So now I'm going to show you where you can find affiliate programs, okay? Okay, so now you can see in my screen that we have Clickbank. You've probably heard about that if you've already searched about affiliate marketing before. But Clickbank is an affiliate network marketplace where you can join for free. You can create an account here for free, and then you will have access to lots of products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer, okay? Each product has an affiliate program, and I will show you right now how you can see it. So if you still don't have an account here, just come here and sign up. And when you are inside the Clickbank, you go to Marketplace, where is we find the products that you want to promote. So here, for example, let's go to the first one just for you to see. Here are the products that we can promote. But let's start with the first one. For example, Piano for All is the name of the product. All I have to do is click here, and we will have the affiliate link, hop links, and here is my affiliate link. So here is your nickname inside Clickbank. This is your ID inside Clickbank. So every time that you make a sale from your link, Clickbank will see that your ID is there. So the commission will be forwarded to your account. And here you can also see that we have an affiliate page. So if I click here, we have everything that you need, all the rules that this Piano for All product has for you to promote. And here you can see that you can have another type of link too. You can see here, and then you would just change your ID here, change this information here and add your ID. So the link would be cooked with your ID. What I'm talking about let's talk about how affiliate marketing really works, guys. Affiliate marketing only works online, and be careful because I'm going to give you a huge tip-off later on. So stay tuned because this is very good information for you to start off, okay? Oh, and if you want more information, you can go to the descriptions here and grab my free ebook that has lots of important information for you to start in affiliate marketing, okay? So why affiliate marketing only works online? Because you are connected to a link. The link that I've just shown inside Clickbank has an ID. This is the only way that all the systems out there understand that you were the person that made the sale. That's why affiliate marketing only works online. Imagine that you are promoting a product X, and then you know that you have this ID connected to the link. You can't just say to your audience that you are promoting product X, because people will just try to find the product on Google, and they will go directly to the product's website that is not connected to your affiliate link. That's why when we are talking about a promotion inside the internet, you need to have your link wherever you are talking about your product, not the website's product. For example, productx.com. No, you are going to send your people to your affiliate link that, for example, would be elisacapel.productx.com. As I shown you here on Clickbank how the link is. Here you can see. This would be the link that you would start promoting out there. Otherwise, you're not going to be paid because your ID must be connected to the link that you are promoting. And that's how affiliate marketing actually works, okay? So it seems silly to speak about that, but lots of people don't remember that they need to speak about their affiliate links. If you are talking about somebody, WhatsApp, for example, or Telegram or Messenger, and people want to know about the offer that you have, you need to give them your affiliate link, not the product's website link. If you didn't understand that, let me know here in the comments, because this is the basics of affiliate marketing, guys. This is the most important thing. You just need to understand that your link needs to have your ID. And I'm going to show you in another example here, another affiliate program that I work. That is my back office. You will see the link with my ID. So here is another affiliate program that I promote. And as you can see here, I'm inside one of the funnels that we have access to. And here is my affiliate links. I have 5 different affiliate links inside this funnel for different pages for me to choose what affiliate link I would start promoting now. For example, this one is an opt-in page. And here, I don't know if you are going to be able to see, is my ID. That's my ID. So if I decide to start promoting this page right now, I would just copy this page and start promoting it right away, because my ID must be connected to this link. All right? So how will you earn these commissions? Imagine that you've already made 10 sales, all right? This money is somewhere, right? So we have gateway payments online that we can call e-wallets. Imagine that is a wallet, but is online, as PayPal is, for example. You can use PayPal to make payments and receive money too. But there are other payment systems that these affiliate programs use. For example, the iPayout or the Payoneer. There are lots of others types of payments out there. So these affiliate programs are connected with a type of e-wallet where you should connect it to. So when you decide to partner with a vendor and you join the affiliate program, you need to join the e-wallet that the vendor is connected to, all right? That's the only way for you to get access to your money. So in this e-wallet system, you're going to add your bank account and put all the data there, all your details for you, and then you have like a really finance connection with this vendor, right? And obviously you're going to set it up before starting promote, because you can start promoting and then make money very fast, and then everything is already set up for you to receive this money in your bank account. So let's recap. Basically, an affiliate marketer is the bridge between the vendor's product and the people that really want to buy this product. So what does an affiliate marketer do? An affiliate marketer promotes this product. So now that I'm reading this book, I can tell you that this book is amazing and all the benefits that you are going to get if you decide to read this book. And I can speak about lots of things that are connected to this book. And then I'll start creating content online to speak about this book. And I will try to bring people that would love to read this book to see my content. And when they see my content, they will find a link connected to this content. For example, here in this video is a piece of content. If you are going to go to my descriptions, you will find all my links, the links that I'm affiliate to, and I will receive commissions if you decide to join some of them. You understand? So this is the way that we bring the right people to the right products that solve problems to them. And by the way, guys, the huge tip off that I'm going to give you is right around the corner. So stay tuned, because now I have two very important things to say to you, okay? After all of this that I've already told you, you need to understand that you need to drive people to see your offer. We call here in this industry, the term is driving traffic. Okay, so you have the product here and you have the traffic here. Traffic is millions of people that could want to buy this product from you. Okay? So now your job is to find these people out there. And all these things, guys, I put in a very detailed way in my ebook. If you want to have access to it and download it for free, you can take it here on the descriptions, okay? Now you have to bring traffic to your offers. So how you really make money with affiliate marketing? When you understand where your people are, where these people that really want to buy your offer are, and then you will start to show them every single time that you can, that they can have this offer, that this product that will solve their problem. All right? And how you can do it? You can do it in two ways, in a free way, in a paid way. The free traffic, we talk about creating content online. Again, this video is a piece of content that I've been creating to help people to start their business as an affiliate marketer. If you are in the health niche and you are promoting a program to lose weight, so you will speak about what you can do to lose weight. You understand? So you will start creating content, and can be lots of things. Can be posts on Instagram, where your audience is actually. You need to find out where your audience is. For example, if they are here on YouTube, for example, you can start creating videos as I've been creating to speak about all the environment that your product is inserted in. You understand? So if I decided to promote this mouse, right? I need to think about these benefits and what problem it would solve. What kind of people would like to have this mouse? And then I will start thinking about how many things I can speak about this mouse for people to understand that is a very good mouse, that is different from others, and then I need to speak about what's the difference and tell them that this mouse is amazing for them and why they should have this mouse too. And then obviously you are going to show the more important information that you have about this mouse, for them to understand, okay, that would be good for me, I'm going to buy. And then they will go to your link in your descriptions and then will buy from you. That's you can do it on Facebook too, always adding your link on your posts. So it depends on your audiences. That's the free way of getting leads and make sales, right? The other way is the paid traffic, where you go to Facebook or in Google, for example, and pay these platforms to get your ads out there for more people, millions and millions of people see your offer. Or you can also buy traffic from people that are very experienced, they are professionals of marketing out there. You can buy traffic from them too. With paid traffic, you can start making sales faster than with free traffic, because free traffic sometimes can be slower for you to get traction, start getting more people to see your offers. So this is a very interesting game. Affiliate marketing is a business model that is an amazing game for those who want to start a new income stream, because you don't need to worry about the product in itself. You don't need to create anything. You don't need to have a logistics. You don't need to have a customer service. You don't even need to have a payment gateway for them to pay and buy the product. You don't need to have any staff or structure, because the vendor will have it. All you have to do is having a place with internet and a computer for you to start creating content and start learning about paid traffic and start trying out affiliate, trying out paid ads too, and start mastering your skill set. Because you don't need to do the hard work. Actually, let's say that you don't need to create anything from scratch. All you're going to create from scratch is your structure of content and great value for you to give to your audience and then bring them to your offers. Please let me know if you're understanding what I'm talking about. This is very important. Sometimes people can think that this kind of video is not that important, but it is, guys. If you don't understand the basics of affiliate marketing, you will always think that it doesn't work for you. But if you understand what I'm talking about, and I really want to know if you are understanding, so comment here if you are getting what I'm saying. And if you have any other questions about that I can answer to you. So let me know, because this is very important. Affiliate marketing is an amazing way for you to start, because you don't need to have any structure to do that. You can start alone. You can start your business alone. You understand? And you can go in your own path. Of course, the person that has more time to work on it and are publishing great content online every single day, they will grow faster than those that don't have much time to work on it. Obviously, right? The more you work, the more you grow. But you can do it in your spare time. You can start slow, you can start understanding, you can start learning your skill set. And that's the big tip that I have for you today, guys. You can earn high ticket commissions, join the best affiliate program out there, and learning the skill sets for you to shortcut all your learning curve in affiliate marketing. And you can do it from today if you want to, but there is a very important thing here. This kind of things, to be honest with you, will only work if you are serious about that. You need to be very interested in starting a new income stream with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing actually only works with those that are really serious, that don't want to give up in the first obstacle they will find. Because guys, it's not a get rich fast scheme. It's not push a button and you make money. No, it's not like that. It's a business model. It takes time. It takes hard work. But it's amazing how it's easy for you to do all of that and start making money tomorrow if you want to. So if you want to earn high ticket commissions and want to learn how to improve this skill set, go to the link in the description here and you will find a free video that's going to show you how you can do it and how you can start it today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Give this video a like to help YouTube to recommend this amazing video to other people like you. And comment here below if you have any questions. Stay in your game and never give up. See you in the next video.